Okay, we're back out in the garage. I'm gonna make this just gonna be a quick one. The battery on the camera went dead. I just charged it up long enough so I could make a quick video. We've tore up the fiberglass, all the glass we're gonna need to do both spots, and I'm only gonna do one spot at a time. So what I'm gonna do is first we tore strips, smaller pieces to do that just over the transition around each patch. Enough to do both of those. Then a piece big enough to go on top of the patch that's there, and maybe, you know, some stranded ends out onto the existing glass, and then big pieces to go over top of everything when we're done. Like I said, I'm only going to do one side at a time, and the second side I'll actually lay the camera right in there, and I'll try to do it as quick as I can and keep the video as short as possible, and you can watch the entire layup. I also want to do run you through, I told you I'd run you through the mixing of the microspheres to make the filler, and then that is actually filler resin. I'll show you the different resins and the viscosity of each, and what you should use and what you should stay away from. But that's it. I'm going to put this thing back on the charger right now. But always rough, torn edges, no straight edges, unless it's going to hang right off. Like if you were going to add some glasses, if it's going to hang off, then you could use a cut edge out here. But you don't want to use cut edges on here, especially if you're going to lay over top. On your final, you could. The sharp edge doesn't like to sit down real well though, so we always tear it off, and we save it. Everything you tear off, you put in, you try to hang on to, because you can actually put that stuff back together and make bits and pieces like this, which is just a bunch of loose stuff, you know. So keep that in mind. I'm going to get busy. Safety first. Got to wear the mask. But that's it. We're going to go ahead and do one side, and I'll bring you the other side in a little bit. All right. Wish me luck.